Hey guys, what up? Got a call from a customer not too long ago that had an issue with the KitchenAid. What happened with it? It fell on the ground. Go figure. So she decided to put it on and see what's happening with it and realized she getting a sticking kind of knocking grinding sound. That's what she said. So as usual, she sent me some videos I asked for, explain how it fell, where it landed, stuff like that. So derived at this being on my work table now. So now we're gonna go and dive into it, pull it apart, see what is going on the inside, see if it's able to be fixed or fling. Stay tuned. Alright, so everything here seems to look fine, so let's keep scrapping. Alright, so the brushes looks good. There's no sign of chipping, like if it fall a crack, no hairline, fractures anywhere, still current to jump, so we're going in more. Alright guys, so now we enter the belly of the beast. Stop watching my belly. Alright, so as we see what is going on inside of here, a lot of grease. A lot of nasty slimy grease, right? But this is the problem here. See that gear? That gear needs to be changed. So basically we had to change the grease and all these other things and do the repair. Ooh, what fun, that looks so good. Only bring all the bread. Alright guys, so this is my version of unboxing video. And there we have it. Alright, cool. So what we're doing now, we're just lining up to make sure that it is the right part. Alright, so everything looks the way it should be. Alright, now this is the new one here. And if you could notice here, this one doesn't have, there's actually the whole gear mashup. So we need to replace this. So this is the new one. This is our OEM product, straight from KitchenAid. So let's install it and test it. Nice, we sung in real good. So now it's time to reassemble. Alright guys, so we gotta look inside the KitchenAid mixer, right? So we realize how tacky the grease is and how the components are, right? Now that's just one part of it. If you go into the motor and the centrifugal switch, it's a whole different ball game there. However, let's just deal with the issue we saw today, alright? This part here. So what caused this part to go bad? One out of two reasons, or three, right? But mainly two reasons. One, we purchased the item and we put it down in throughout the year. Only on occasion we pick it up and we was like, all right, let's use it. So what happens in that duration of time is the grease inside of there will get hard. It's going to get dry. So it doesn't really break up and become that paste we know it to be, or that gum or that jelly type texture. So what the side effect of that is the plastic gear rubbing on the metal is going to cause this gear to get hot and it's going to break, right? Then you have the contrast to that now, where you have the item and you're using it too much, that the grease is not getting time to solidify. When this grease gets hot, it becomes a liquid, and if you continue using it, it's eventually going to start to run out of the machine. And what will happen now is this plastic gear is also going to get hot because there's no real texture cooling it. So what will happen is that this is also going to break. And then there's the long-term effect of it, which is basic wear and tear after a long duration of time. Again, same principle. Why do they make this metal on metal? Is because this is more of a cushion blow. When you're kneading dough, remember dough is very stretchy, so you're going to need something that will allow a little flex. If it was metal on metal, it would be too rigid and it could pop stuff out of the bowl. It could cause the mixer to go erratic. So that's why this plastic gear is necessary. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, like, share and subscribe, and let's see to get more educational videos. Remember, anything you need to know about this appliance or any other appliances that we showcase here, leave your comments below, ask questions. If you have a particular product that you want us to take a look at, a real teardown video, we're going to do it for you. Alright, so just let us know and we'll see how best we can help you sort out you. Alright guys, thanks for watching.